Hello, everyone. This is my oral presentation of English 3. Um, well, the topic of this presentation is the impact to Chevron Company on the environment. I want to start by introducing myself. Then I will guide a brief explanation about the impact of Chevron Company to the environment. Uh, and to finish, I will describe action to reduce this impact. Let's start. Who is Lady? My name is Lady Infante. I study system engineering uh, in the UNAT. I am 31 years old. I like Bogota with my husband Luis, my daughter Sara. I work in the bank. Uh, what is Chevron Company? Chevron Petroleum Company operates nationwide network of nearly 460 Texaco service station. They they had a 12% market share and automobile field 24% market share in aviation, uh, fuel and percent market share in the lubricants. Chevron also has incidents in 10 false terminals in Colombia. Um, um, says join operate 6. Consequence of the climate change. Uh, the consequence of climate change more than analysis reflects the existence of toxic product in the soil and in the water, which were systematically contaminated. It extracted activity, Texaco, uh, of crude oil into the Amazon ecosystem. The next point is pollutant emissions. Before before continuing to explaining the relationship between fuels and the every month, it is important to count how many types of pollution emission are expelled by cars. CO2 obtained is a result of any combustion process. Its emission has a great weight in the so-called greenhouse effect and global warming. Particularly areas when the fuel does not have enough time to mix well with the air in the combustion process. How contribute to the climate change? Together with the Chevron company, we had to join um, together to came out and participate in the tree planting companies, public awareness on the use of bicycles to go to work, to study. Uh, this is what I wanted to share with you. Thanks.